Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you something really exciting. We're going to build a complete ChatGPT clone, and here's the best part, it's completely free. No API keys, no paid subscriptions, nothing. By the end of this video, you'll have your own AI chatbot that you can use and share with anyone. Let me quickly go over the tech stack we'll be using. It's super simple, just HTML5, CSS3, and vanilla JavaScript. No frameworks, no complicated setup. The magic ingredient here is Puter.js, which gives us free AI capabilities. And the best part, everything fits in a single file. Here are all the features we're going to build. A proper chat interface with message bubbles, a typing indicator so users know when the AI is thinking, a new chat button to start fresh conversations, responsive design that works on any device, and smooth animations to make everything feel polished and professional. Now let me explain how Puter.js works. You just include this single script tag and you get access to Puter.oi.chat, which handles all the AI magic. No API key registration, completely free to use, and it even maintains full conversation context so the AI remembers what you talked about. For the UI, we'll have a sidebar, a main chat area, an input bar at the bottom, CSS variables for easy theming, smooth animations, and fully responsive design. Everything looks clean and professional. The project structure is dead simple. Just one index.html file with well commented code. It's beginner friendly, easy to modify, and ready for production. Alright, now let's actually build this. I'm going to use Floot AI, which is a no-code web app builder backed by Y Combinator. You just describe what you want and it builds it for you. Watch how easy this is. I've prepared a detailed specification with all our features and requirements. I'm pasting it into Floot now. This includes the chat interface, Puter, and now Floot starts working. You can see it's analyzing our requirements and designing the app. It's creating a cyber minimalism aesthetic with glass morphism effects, which is exactly what we want for a modern AI chat interface. Now it's actually searching online to learn how to properly implement Puter.js. This is really clever because it's researching the latest documentation to make sure everything works correctly. Then it starts coding the homepage. You can see the actual code being generated. It's creating React hooks for Puter integration, the chat logic with error handling, message streaming support. It's even using Lucid React for icons, really professional stuff. Now it's building the individual components, the sidebar, the chat input, all the styling. Look at those CSS modules with proper responsive breakpoints and smooth animations. This would take hours to code manually. And boom, the build is complete. Look at that beautiful dark themed interface. We've got the sidebar with the new chat button, the welcome message in the center, the message input at the bottom. It looks exactly like ChatGPT. Alright, let's test it. I'm clicking on the message input and something's not quite right. When I send a message, nothing happens. Let me report this to Floot AI so it can fix the issue. Floot immediately starts debugging. It's checking the logs, reading the code, and it found the problem. The window.Puter object was being captured at render time before the script finished loading. Classic JavaScript closure issue. It's fixing it now. Okay, we hit another issue. The AI service not loaded message appears. Floot digs deeper and realizes the script's onload event fires before Puter.js fully initializes. So it adds a polling mechanism that checks every 100 milliseconds until window. Puter is actually available. Smart fix. Let me publish this to see if it works in a real browser environment. I am choosing ChatGPT clone Floot app as the subdomain. Publishing takes about 30 seconds while Floot builds and deploys everything. There's one more issue. The input field is disabled because it's waiting for Puter.js to load. Float finds that the input has disabled. Streaming is ready, which blocks typing when Puter isn't ready. It's updating the code to allow typing regardless of Puter status. You can see the code diff here. It's improving the Puter.js initialization with better polling logic and debug logging. Checkpoint created so we can always restore if needed. The fixes are complete. I asked Float to research Puter.js implementation online and fix any remaining issues. It's discovering that Puter.js has some quirks with the frames and sandbox environments. This is exactly why we need to test in the published version. And now, the moment of truth. I open the Publish tab, type hi, and look at that. The AI responds with, "Hello, how can I assist you today?" It's working perfectly. The app is live and functional. Let me test it with something more complex. I ask it to write some PHP code and it generates a complete MySQL database connection script with HTML table output. It even includes security features like HTML special chars and detailed setup instructions. Impressive. Floot explains that Puter.js doesn't work inside the dev sandbox iframe, but works perfectly in the published standalone version. This is a common issue with third-party scripts. You can use the full screen button for testing or just publish and test in the browser. One more test. I ask it to code me an HTML CSS website and it generates a complete responsive website with header, navigation, multiple sections, services area, and footer. It even includes setup instructions and explains all the features. Our ChatGPT clone is fully functional. And that's it. You just saw how to build a complete ChatGPT clone for free using Puter.js and Floot AI. No API keys, no monthly costs, just a working AI chatbot you can customize however you want. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.